And in astronomy, let me write it. In astronomy, the region near the region near the solar disk is referred to as the limb. The limb, LR, of the sun. Okay, just a fancy term. Well, not just a fancy term, it has a meaning, but we're not really interested in the meaning of the word limb. Anyway, now this gives rise to this limb darkening law, as they call it. Limb darkening law. It gives the variation of the intensity, gives the variation of intensity. Of the solar disk. Okay, the meaning of limb darkening law should be quite a bit intuitive, right? So limb would be the edge of the sun, or the region near the edge of the sun, or the sorry, not sun actually, that's the solar disk. And as you get towards the edge, it's the brightness or the intensity is going to be more, which means it's sort of like it's getting dark as you go towards the edge. Okay, so it's limb darkening law. That's what it means. So this law, or this variation, this mathematical equation for variation of intensity of the solar disk predicts that at the edge of the solar disk, the intensity will be around 50%, around 40%. Be around 40% of that at the center of the disk. Okay. In fact, if you go back to equation number 66, you can do it yourself. Okay, just look at it. So when you go towards the edge, that means right. Okay, so when you're at the edge, that means at this point, it is going to be what? 90 degrees, or pi divided by 2. Okay, which means mu at that point would be what? 0. All right, so if you substitute 0 here, okay, it's going to be 3 by 5 times 2 by 3, 3 cancels out, it's going to be 2 by 5. 2 by 5 would be what? 40%, or 0.4. Okay, so that's, so I guess that's quite intuitive. All right, so that's the meaning of that. And that's the end of the topic of gray atmosphere. The next would be actually sort of the topic of the big topic of the last few lectures on spectral lines. So I'm not going to start it in this lecture because it's a kind of a separate topic, even though we're going to use the equations that we have derived so far. But I'm going to start that topic as part of the next lecture. So that's about it for today.